Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get on MrBeast gift list. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So basically, for getting that, you have to open your shop app. So basically, it's a MrBeast app. Okay, you can just also request them also for the gift list. So at here, I will open here and it will show you on your Google also. So if you search for here, it will show to download the shop app. So when you will just download here, you will just open. So here you have to just make a new account or log in with them. Okay, so here you will just log in. When you will just log in, you have to put the into gifts, and you can just select the gifts that you want. If you are selected, then the shop app will gift you. So basically this is how to do that, and if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.